If you've been curious about trying an Alice layout keyboard, this might be your sign. This is my first Alice-style mechanical keyboard and I'm already in love. Meet the RK75 from Royal Kludge. 68% layout with 72 keys, but the ergonomic Alice design makes typing feel way more natural and comfortable. You get tri-mode connectivity, pre-lubed custom switches, and a gasket-mounted typing feel that's smooth and cushioned. A unique media knob plus beautiful RGB lights. Also comes in black and matcha green colorway. And here's the typing sound test.